All right, so here we go again. Now I think I fixed it. All right, so again, we're talking about mid-segments. This part of the line is half the base, all right? And we know we split this into 2 equal parts and this into 2 equal parts. So let's look at our first example. And this is in your, y'all might want to write down some notes because I might not be in here the whole time to help you, right? Because I'm going to be kind of next door. So if you need to write something down. The first thing on your worksheet, it says identify 3 pairs of parallel segments in this triangle. Okay, right here, this triangle. So pairs of parallel segments. So I'm going to say RS, right? And they write it like this. Here's my line RS. What's it parallel to? DF. And see, that's how they write it. RS parallel to DF. That's what you're going to do on number 1 and 2. Okay, it says 3 pairs, or it says identify 3 pairs of triangle sides. Yeah, that's a pair of triangle sides. Then ST, what's it parallel to? I don't know, it already says it over there. But ST is the line going this way, and so is DE. All right, you're just kind of seeing what's going the same direction. So you would say ST is parallel to DE, or ED, same thing. And then do we understand that TR and FE, those are parallel to each other? Yeah? So if you look on, we can turn the aerial hot. Well, no, yeah. Yes, I can turn some of it there on a little bit if I can find my remote. So look, this is your worksheet I'm going to give you in a second. On numbers 3 through 8, it says name the side that's parallel. So I'm going to find AB, and then I would have to name the side parallel to it. What is it? ZY. So everybody's going to be good with the first part of our lesson, right? This one, I said 1 and 2 a second ago. Identify 3 pairs of triangle sides in each diagram. Yeah, I don't even really understand what it's asking. 3 pairs of triangle sides. Yeah, we'll skip 1 and 2. The wording is just not good. This is where it starts in your book. All right, 3 through 8, y'all do that. I think y'all understand it. Now, the next one, the next type of problem is we're gonna use some of these links. They tell you some different things looking at this triangle. So if they tell you that this side is 40, and y'all, it's easy. You just have to know what it's asking for. If this entire side is 40, RS, can anybody tell me what TU is? I already taught you that. It's half of it, right? It's 20. So it's either going to be half or we're going to multiply by 2. If they give you the bigger one, what are you going to do? Take half of it. If they give you the smaller one, what are you going to do? Double it. Okay? So they tell me this one's 40, so TU has to be 20. All right? Now let's look at the smaller one. TB is 30, right? So what's QR? 60. You just double it. All right? Because it's half. That's our rule we learned. Then is there anything else? Okay, yeah, there's this one. QS is 50. What one's parallel to it? UB. So what is UB going to be? 25. All right, how are we feeling with that? We're good. So what I'm going to do is let y'all do, if you can do 3 through 23, because this next section, 9 through 14, is exactly what I just did. Let me see if I need to do the next one. Yeah. Let me do some of these have X's. So if we just look at 16, if I know this is 41, how do I find X? Divide it by 2. Okay, is it okay to get a decimal? Yes, a decimal is a number. It's fine. All right, so you divide it by 2. What are we going to do on this one? Divide it by 2. All right, this is different. This one, like all of these where we have more than just an X, right? We're going to have to create a little formula. So basically, you can set it up like this. Let me see which way I want to set it up. The mid segment is half that. This is how I want to set it up. The long leg, or the long side, is 2 times the short side. Is everybody good with that? Yes, no? Okay, right? Does everybody agree? So could you solve this? How would you solve this? 2x equals what? 14, then what? Divide by 2, and x is 7. But what do you know? What's this side going to be? 14. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay? Some of you could probably already tell that. That was going to be 14. Okay? Now, let me look at this one. I'm going to say x minus 8 is 2 times, let me write that different. The long side, there's different ways to do it. The long side is 2 times the short side. Is everybody good with that? All right, so how would I solve this one? Distribute. So 35 equals 2x minus 16. Then what do I do? Add 16. And I get 2x equals, what's 35 plus 16? Is that 51? Yeah. And then what do I do? Divide by 2. What's 51 divided by 2? 25.5. Okay? All it wants you to do is find the value of x. So I was fine leaving that one here. Here's my value of x. I'm going to leave these up here. This is what I want you to do. You're going to do 3 through 23. You can work together. Nope.